Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning to all of you from the set of Rise and Shine with Behria. Today I have a very respectable guest with me, Mr. Damrul Ikram. He is the Assistant Director at Foreign Collaboration Programs. Assalamu alaikum sir, kaise hain aap?
Assalamu alaikum, Allah ka shukr.
Acha, you have been an alumni of Behria University. You have done MBA and BBA from Behria. And now you are working as an assistant director. So how it feels that after graduating you pursued your career in Behria University?
Well, since when I was a student over here, when I was doing my BBA, I was doing my BBA in finance, and then I did my MBA in marketing as well. So as a student of Behria, when I was studying here, I had a lot of opportunities here. The kind of environment I was getting, the kind of courses that I was being taught, it kind of, polished my skills to a very higher level as well. Like while being a student over here, along with my academic activities, I was doing various co-curricular activities as well, like different events in Behria University, and also with different, for example, being part of the convocation team of Behria University. So it kind of polished a lot of my interpersonal skills, my communication skills in myself. So after doing my MBA from here, I thought, why not, a university who has provided me so much, why shouldn't I start working here as well? So it kind of motivated me a lot, and finally after my graduation, so right after approximately 2 to 3 months, I got a job opportunity over here. So I thought, why shouldn't I take this opportunity? So since then I've been working as the Assistant Director for Foreign Collaborations Program here at Behria University.
All right, and you have been teaching as well. How long is that?
So basically, I started teaching last semester. I was teaching the computer sciences students over here. Last semester, I was teaching them entrepreneurship and leadership. And this semester, I'm teaching the MBA students as strategic management over here.
All right. तो मुझे ये यहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं कि एज ए स्टूडेंट were you an average student or a very bright one?
I think I was a mix of both. Academically, I think it was a mix of both academically and non-academically. I would say at the time of being in BBA, I was an average student at that time. But with time, as I started growing more and more, so it started being a mix of both as well. When I started doing my MBA as well, and at that time my grades started improving quite well as well at that time. But during my BBA tenure, I was an average student, but slowly with time, Behria gave me the opportunity to groom myself more and more, so I was able to get better grades as well. Plus the teachers were really helpful as well. They were provided me a lot of opportunities as well. Whenever I needed help from them, they were always there as well. Plus Behria helped me in my presentation skills as well quite a lot over here as well. And to tell you the truth, I mean, because of this, being in Behria, I never thought that I would start teaching as well. But since being here for such a long time, it is actually a really heartful experience being a teacher as well. Because whenever you, for example, walking down the university, you're going somewhere, and if you see a couple of your 3-4 students just passing by, and they are in such a happy way, they greet you, like, and you feel like, you're achieving something as well at that time. Plus working as the Assistant Director for Foreign Collaborations Program at Behria University, we have a very healthy work environment over there as well. We do our work on time, efficiently as well. Plus it's also the work environment that matters a lot where you're working. So a very healthy work environment we have, which plus motivates me even more to give more to Behria University as well towards that.
All right, what do you think कि जब आप पढ़ रहे थे बेरिया में and after being pursuing as assistant director, तो what is the difference? आपको university पहले different लगती थी, आप different लगती है, it is the same. How is it working there?
It's a different, obviously there is a difference here, being a student and then working as the assistant director. There is quite a lot of difference as well. But the thing was that the university, the main thing about both the thing was that the university has always been very supportive. Even when I was a student, I believe like when I had to do some events over here, the management was always very supportive. Any proposal that I would bring it to them. For example, I've done Coke Studio here, I've done Shell K events here. So the university has always been very supportive.
Any international conference you made successfully in Behria?
We've done 2 international conferences while working as the assistant director. One was the Management Sciences Conference. It was called as the RUBGC, Role of Universities Building Global Citizens. And the other one recently, which happened last week, the International IEEE Conference, which was managed by the Faculty of Engineering as well. So these two conferences I've done being in
What do you think कि students को कितनी foreign opportunities मिलती हैं आपके?
We try our level best to provide them with as many foreign opportunities as much as possible. Currently, we are partnered with 30 plus international universities. Most of them are basically, it's an MOU, a memorandum of understanding that we have signed with them. It's a comprehensive memorandum of understanding, but there are various different international opportunities that we provide to our students. Like for example, this summer, we'll be sending our students to Amsterdam University of Applied Sciences for a summer school program in which the students would be doing a summer course on European business skills. Other than that, we regularly send our students for exchange program to Turkey and UK. Turkey, our partner university is Yashar University, where our students regularly go for 1 semester without paying any tuition fees. Plus, they go to UK as well if students want to opt to go for an exchange program to UK. So they go there for 1 semester as well. So basically, there's no tuition fee involved in the exchange program. So student goes there, he or she goes and studies for 1 semester, and then comes back to Bahria as well. Other than that, we send our students for internship programs as well abroad. So the best time for the internship is basically the summertime when the students are off for approximately 3 months. So it's basically AIMS University in Malaysia. So it depends upon the student whether they want to opt for a 1-month internship program or a 2-month internship program. So according to which department they are studying to, for example, if a student is enrolled in the computer sciences or the management sciences here in Bahria, so our student would go to AIMS University in Malaysia and work in the same department for 1 month or a 2-month internship program. Plus, we arrange various international guest lectures for the students as well. The faculty would come here from the international partner universities, and they might give various guest lectures to the students as well. We send our students to America as well for the Harvard National Model United Nations Conference, where our students go. It's one of the biggest MUN which takes place all around the world. Approximately 3,000 to 4,000 delegates come from all over the world, and it's one of the best experience or a lifetime experience what our students go and experience there as well.
All right, thank you so much for sharing such things. जो I think being a Bahrian आपको बहुत सारी ऐसी opportunities मिल रही होती हैं, but most of the students are not aware of them, so that they don't avail them. So we'll be right back after a short break. We'll be discussing some things more. Welcome back. काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग गपशप चल रही थी. Let's continue that. So Damiral, what do you think कि आपको बहरिया ने क्या दिया है? What do you think कि आप बहरिया से जब graduate हुए तो when you came to Bahria, after leaving, what you took from here?
Bahria, while being a student over here, I mean, Bahria gave me a lot of opportunities. Being a student over here, मुझे लगता था कि मैं ना थोड़ा क्या कहते हैं लिटिल हेजिटेंट साइड पे हूँगा ये वो, लेकिन जब दोस्त वगैरह यहाँ पे बनना शुरू हुए एंड वी स्टार्ट हैविंग आवर ओन ग्रुप्स ओवर हियर, तो काफ़ी शुगल भी साथ साथ बहरिया में लगना शुरू हो गया. प्लस उसके साथ साथ पढ़ाई भी साथ साथ चल रही थी, लेकिन देयर वाज अ मोमेंट ऑफ एंजॉयमेंट हियर इन बहरिया एज वेल कि अस friends all getting together and all going outside as well out of Bahria and enjoying this beautiful Islam.
Classes bunk करते थे आप लोग?
करते थे काफ़ी. But क्योंकि वो the attendance thing was there, so we had to make sure कि कि attendance short ना हो जाए.
कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि किसी subject में drop हो गया attendance की वजह से?
नहीं, luckily कभी नहीं हुआ. We had to make sure क्योंकि उस time by that time online system आ गया था. तो हम लोग सारे बैठे होते थे, कभी कभार चेक कर लेते थे कि यार किस में attendance short हो रही है. तो we used to we had to make sure.
और वो अक्सर ये भी होता है ना कि आपके friends आपकी वो लगा देते हैं attendance ही बोल के कि हाँ लड़की की आवाज़ भी निकाल के लड़के की भी.
हाँ वो कभी कभार they used to do it, लेकिन luckily हम लोग mostly ना back seat पे बैठते होते थे. तो हम लोग आराम से we used to do that as well. किसी दोस्त ने कह दिया कि यार ये कर लो, तो हम लोग वी यूज्ड टू डू दैट एज वेल फॉर।
और अक्सर ये होता है बाद में उससे फिर कह रहे होते हैं जरा ट्रीट भी दो ना, मेरे तो आ रही ट्रेनिंग से।
वो तो अभी भी चलता है, इवन हम लोग
अच्छा।
अपने ऑफिस में जब बैठे होते हैं तो किसी ना किसी का छोटा मोटा काम कर दिया तो कहते हैं यार चलो
कंपनसेट तो करना ही पड़ता है।
आई थिंक हमारे सारों के अंदर ऐसी चीज है व्हिच यू नो
इट इज़ द थिंग टू एंजॉय। ऑफ कोर्स हमें उस चीज़ से कोई मतलब नहीं होता, बट वी नीड टू पार्टी इट। ऑफ कोर्स हमें फ्रेंड्स के साथ मज़ा भी तो करना होता है। अच्छा, लेट्स कम टू यू कि व्हाट आर योर हैबिट्स, लाइक व्हाट आर योर हॉबीज? सॉरी।
जब मैं बहरिया में स्टूडेंट था, आई यूज्ड टू प्ले द गिटार एज वेल एंड आई यूज्ड टू प्ले द ड्रम्स एज वेल. So my hobbies mostly keep changing. उस time I used to play the drums and the guitar. Up now I feel like क्या कहते हैं, cooking as well. So I'm fond of cooking as well now these days as well. Plus I'm also fond of you can say into cars as well.
अच्छा, cooking में what do you like to cook the most?
I can cook various things, like I can bake cakes, I can make waffles. I can make Pakistani food like बिरयानी वगैरह बना लेता हूँ, कढ़ाई वगैरह बना लेता हूँ.
इनमें से खुद क्या शौक से खाते हैं?
बिरयानी. I think हर किसी का favorite बिरयानी है. So that was one of, it was very hard to make.
Being a Pakistani, if you don't like biryani, you're not a Pakistani.
तो I mean काफी मुश्किल था शुरू में बनाना, but then slowly you know kind of polished it up. तो अब काफी अच्छा बना लेता हूँ. उसके अलावा I can make pasta वगैरह.
What inspired you to be
cooking?
Yeah.
My dad actually. क्योंकि हमेशा से my dad used to cook. So then you know जब मैं छोटा होता था, so he used to be in the kitchen and he would start cooking. So I'll just you know sit with him and see कि you know क्या क्या वो.
Otherwise it's a stereotype ना कि men shouldn't cook, you know, they should be out of the kitchen.
पता नहीं, I mean
but
it's fun
it's not,
actually.
yeah, it is.
It's actually fun cooking, so I enjoy cooking as well.
Alright, who is your favorite movie character?
A movie character, I would say there are many. If you talk about in the funny perspective, I would say Kung Fu Panda.
All right.
Yeah. And if you go into something on a true story, that a movie that inspired me a lot was actually Pursuit of Happiness. That was one of the really
that
good
is a wonderful movie.
Yeah, it's a very
right.
good movie over there.
Okay. Acha, what sports do you like?
I regularly go play table tennis. I have a table tennis table at my home as well, so I enjoy playing that as well. In summers, I prefer going for swimming as well, and at Islamabad Club. उसके अलावा would you say I prefer going for some jog or running as well in F6. So I love to play table tennis. हम लोग इस तरह होता है घर पे टेबल रखा हुआ है, तो हम लोग दोस्त वगैरह आके कभी सिंगल्स खेलें कभी डबल्स खेलें, तो उसमें भी हम लोग कभी कभार जो हारे तो हमें जाके खाना खिलाए ना फिर, so उसमें भी we do that as well. Plus उसके अलावा in summers I prefer going for swimming at Islamabad Club as well. And उसके अलावा I prefer to go for walk or running as well at F6 as well. So kind of a mix of you know, क्योंकि ऑफिस में बैठ के पता चले 10 साल बाद मेरा पेट ही बाहर आ जाए, तो उससे बेहतर है इस टाइप की एक्टिविटीज should be there as well, you know. So इसलिए it's a good mix के साथ साथ काम भी करना, साथ साथ you know एक्टिविटीज भी बंदा रखे.
अच्छा, तो अच्छा आपका फेवरेट वैसे पिज्जा नहीं होना चाहिए? आपने खाने की बात की तो उसमें पिज्जा की बात नहीं की. You know why I'm saying that?
Exactly. I have my own business as well. उसके लिए I have my chef जो मुझे पिज्जा बना के खिला देता है.
All right. तो आप बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं खाते?
शुरू में बहुत खाते थे हम लोग. Like शुरू में इस तरह भी होता था कि दोस्त इतने आ जाते थे and they used to be like चलो यार अब तो तुम्हारा business है अपना, so why don't you know treat us with pizza. तो at the beginning हम लोग करते थे, लेकिन फिर स्लोली से पता चला यार हम bankrupt हो जाएंगे, ये तो फिर बाद में क्या करेंगे. So Roundhouse basically established in November 2015, and plus
what inspired you for that business?
I think मुझे ये लगा था कि पाकिस्तान में अगर रहना है ना तो नौकरी के साथ साथ बिजनेस भी होना चाहिए. तो एक बार मैं मेरा भाई हम दोनों साथ ही बैठे हुए थे, and then we were like यार क्या बिजनेस शुरू करें ना, and अब my dad was also sitting with us, तो हमने सोचा किसी चीज़ की इन्वेस्टमेंट कम हो और लेकिन बाद में इन फ्यूचर में यू नो यू कैन हैव गुड प्रॉफिट्स फॉर दैट. सो देन वी थॉट ऑफ कि क्या चीज़ें लैक कर रही हैं इस्लामाबाद में. सो देन वी थॉट अबाउट अ पिज़्ज़ा बिजनेस इन इस्लामाबाद. दो देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ मेनी लाइक कहते हैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हु डूइंग दिस बिजनेस, बट देन वी थॉट ऑफ व्हाई डोंट वी गिव क्वालिटी टू द कस्टमर्स एज वेल. सो देन हमारे साथ शुरू में काफ़ी मिसहैप्स भी हुए थे क्योंकि हम पहली बार बिजनेस में एंटर हो रहे थे. लाइक मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ. जो मेन पिज़्ज़ा के जो बिजनेस की मेन इन्वेस्टमेंट इज बेसिकली दी अवन. हम लोगों ने जिस बंदे से अवन मंगवाया था, we paid in advance of around 0.2 million to that person. Okay. And the oven came and we were all very excited. Oh शुक्र है oven आ गया ना. So oven start किया जनाब 5 to 10 minutes में ना वो oven बंद हो गया. So the guy was like यार इसके हार्डवेयर का मसला मैं चेंज कर देता हूँ. So वो बार आके चेंज करके ना वो बंदा ही भाग गया. So then we were again in a stagnant position. यार अब करें क्या, बंदा भी चला गया, अवन भी काम नहीं कर रहा, अब हम business किस तरह start करें? So then with time, then we thought of finding another guy. We found another guy, then that oven, mashallah, it's working perfectly now. So उसमें ठीक चल रहा है. अब जब नवंबर में हम लोगों ने अपना business launch किया था, and the best thing about launch में हम launch किधर किया? Bahria University में launch किया था.
Okay.
So it was launched on 13th November 2015 at Bahria University. And at the beginning, we were like, you know, we had our 2 riders जो pizza deliver करते हैं. तो उसके बाद, mashallah, within a month's time, those 2 riders couldn't cover the number of orders that were coming.
Wow.
तो हम लोग अब क्या यार
Within months, it's an achievement.
Exactly.
Yeah.
तो फिर हम लोगों ने क्या किया, अपनी गाड़ियाँ स्टार्ट करके ना हम लोग गाड़ियों में पिज़्ज़ा डिलीवर करना शुरू कर दिया. And it was actually plus point. Like whenever we used to go and deliver, like the customer would get shocked. गाड़ी में डिलीवरी हो रही है. So it was a plus point for us. But now, mashallah, it's been more than a year.
Chala, good luck with your business, and I'm sure you're gonna have much more businesses like this.
Thank you.
So thank you so much for joining us, and it was pleasure meeting you. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. We'll be right back with some other interesting episodes. मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए. दुआओं में याद रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़. Take care.